Our species is the only intelligent life that we know of throughout the universe. The unimaginably complex chemical reactions that occur throughout our brain allow us to be conscious, giving us the ability to experience our surroundings. Consciousness is the defining feature of our human attributes that allowed us to spread across the entire globe, letting our technology advance and allowing us to be aware of everything in our surroundings, giving rise to science. Other organisms across the land are also somewhat intelligent, including chimpanzees, which use advanced tools to survive throughout the wild. Dolphins, although they live in water, develop much of their neural network upon the land, making them a very advanced species, which is a very important characteristic. But why did all these animals, including us, develop more advanced brains on land? So what is the answer to this perplexing case? In the oceans throughout the world, the majority of animals cannot see as far, solely because of the fact that water is thicker than air, and therefore it is far more difficult to see in the oceans of our Earth. Meanwhile, on land, vision is far easier, and objects can be seen at a far greater distance. But how does the distance an organism is able to see connect to its brain power? This is where decisions come into play, defining the brains of all the life throughout the world. Fish that inhabit our oceans cannot see predators until they are merely a few feet away from them, so instantaneous and instinctive decisions have to be made for survival. If a larger fish attacked a smaller fish, the smaller fish would only have a split second to make a decision, and not enough time to make an intellectual choice about what to do. Therefore, the small fish would instinctively attempt to surge away. Conversely, an animal that inhabited the land could scan its surroundings, and if any threat arrived, they could identify it from further away. This gave them an absolutely instrumental time window, an opportunity the underwater creatures did not have. As soon as the first life colonized the land, animals utilized this pivotal time window, and the ones that made intellectual, more organized decisions prevailed over those that made instinctive ones that succeeded in the water. After millions upon millions of years of evolution, these animals that made more intellectual decisions gave rise to nearly all land animals on Earth. These organisms, after all the years of evolution, began to develop more and more advanced brains, leading to the remarkable feats that animals in water couldn't achieve, including hunting in fascinating patterns with packs. That extra time window derived from the superior eyesight of the first amphibians 370 million years ago, allowed them to make more complex decisions. Ultimately, animals became more and more advanced, leading to us. We are self-aware, conscious of our surroundings. We can make even more developed decisions than other organisms, allowing us to build sophisticated tools to collaborate and form societies. The small amphibious pioneers that ventured to the barren lands of the Earth are our ancient descendants, and their more advanced decisions ended up allowing us to colonize the planet and discover all the incredibly complex phenomena in our surroundings. These pioneers eventually led to the most remarkable thing in the universe: consciousness. This video idea was based off of a chapter in Carroll's brilliant book about life, the universe, and everything, called The Big Picture. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and share this with all your friends. And as usual, always dig